Imagine building a business so powerful that a recipe created decades ago still generates billions of dollars today. A business serving millions of customers across more than 100 countries. But here's the surprising part. KFC wasn't created by a giant corporation. It started with one man in his 60s, driving around with a pressure cooker and a secret chicken recipe. And somehow, that small idea became one of the biggest fast food empires in history. So how does KFC actually make billions? This is the business strategy behind KFC. The story begins in the 1930s. A man named Colonel Harland Sanders ran a small roadside restaurant in Kentucky. Life wasn't easy. He worked many jobs throughout his life and failed multiple times. But he noticed travelers stopping near his gas station and began serving food. One item became incredibly popular, his fried chicken. There was only one problem. Traditional fried chicken took too long. So Sanders experimented with pressure cooking and developed a faster method combined with his famous seasoning blend. Customers loved it. Without realizing it, he had created the foundation of a future empire. Instead of opening restaurants everywhere himself, Sanders had a smarter idea: franchising. Restaurant owners paid to use his recipe and brand while investing their own money into new locations. This allowed KFC to grow rapidly without building every store themselves. But KFC wasn't just selling chicken, it was selling a brand. The mystery of the 11 herbs and spices created curiosity, and consistency created trust. Because whether customers buy KFC in America, Japan, or Australia, they expect a familiar experience, and familiar experiences create repeat customers. KFC also understands human psychology. The image of Colonel Sanders became instantly recognizable. People connect with faces more than logos. KFC also sells convenience. Drive-thrus, mobile ordering, delivery apps. And globally, KFC adapts instead of forcing identical menus everywhere. Different countries, different tastes, same core brand. Today, KFC isn't just a restaurant company, it's a system built on franchising, branding, convenience, and trust. And that's how one chicken recipe became a billion-dollar empire.